Hello and welcome to the virtual viewing for this property on Elizabeth Road. It's a 4-bedroom detached house. There's no upward chain for this property and it's located just at the far end of this cul-de-sac. So we have quite a long sweeping driveway. Leading up to the front door with access just here, gated access to the side. Into a small porch, and there we have the front door leading to the hallway. We can see the wood flooring and the stairs leading up to the first floor. We've got two reception rooms. The first one here at the front with an open fireplace. And then reception room 2 with sliding doors leading out to the rear garden. Quick peek out here, it's a great garden. Really nice size, but we'll have a proper look afterwards. Next on into the kitchen. Here we have a useful pantry with shelving space, and then this utility room here, where we have a ground floor WC along with a boiler room housing the gas boiler. We can access the integral garage from here as well. And then into the lean-to, where there is space for appliances. Doors out to the garden, and two brick-built stores here. And then this green door leads back out to the driveway at the front. So upstairs we've got to the left bedroom 4, and everything else here a couple of steps up to the right. So bedroom 1. Bedroom 2 here with a rear aspect. Now bedroom 3. This one is back to the front of the house. Also has a useful walk-in store cupboard. And bedroom 4. Bathroom. Here we have the hot water cylinder. Bath here with the shower. And separate WC. So out into the garden. We have a few steps here. Down to this main lawned area. So actually just see in this corner we have a timber shed tucked away there, and that's it. So if you would like any further information or you'd like to talk to us about arranging a viewing, just contact the office on 0121 443 5900, and we look forward to talking to you soon.